plan on going to Rick Ross car show. The car show is at the main house, y'all. Last year was annual 1. This year gonna be second annual, supposedly. But his neighbors got mad. They don't want all that riffraff. Hey, I understand. A lot of people will say, well, you pay for this and you pay for that. I'm sure what Rick Ross said, he ain't in the hood. So, there's different covenants and everything when you kind of move into a certain neighborhood. So, you gotta abide by the rules, you know. If they don't want them there, probably it's not gonna happen. Unless they come to some kind of conclusion. I mean, I can understand what people be saying, well, he got all his money, he got all his land, but there's still rules in a neighborhood. If you don't want to abide by rules, you move out in the country, out in the county, out of there. You don't stay in the city. You don't stay where there's gated communities. You got to abide by a community law. So people don't get mad at the people that don't want to hear that mess by their house and got all this riffraff running around everywhere. I mean, I ain't hear of an incident last year, but I didn't hear about it. That don't mean it didn't happen. It didn't happen. You know what I'm saying? But everybody must respect everybody.